What it do, people? What it do? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your steering wheel. This is a 2015 Cascadia. It's a Freightliner Cascadia, and the problem with this truck is that the steering wheel is crooked. It's crooked. It's leaning to that right side. Maybe your truck is leaning to the left side, or either way. You see how it's? I mean, I'm going straight here, but it's leaning to that right side. And it's so easy to fix. Just stay tuned and watch. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna show you how to pop this thing out. What you're gonna do is just kind of level it where it, just remember where it was. It was kind of leaning to the right side a little bit, so I'm gonna just leave it in there, right there, and then with my fingers, because this is just a clip around it. So what you're gonna do is just pull it out with both hands, hard like a man. Just pull it out. Just pull it out. So I couldn't do it with one hand, so I had to use my other hand. So once I pulled it out, it has only, there's clips on it. So what you're gonna do is just there is two cables here for the horn. This is one here and the other one down there. This one, what you're gonna do, just pull them out, because this is just the horn. So just pull them out with your finger. Okay, so I was able to pull them out. So one of them, both of them are out. You don't have to unplug this one. This is for the cruise control now. The other stuff like the marker lights and all that stuff. So this one, just set it on the side, and this is the nut that you're gonna move out with the adjustable wrench. Just remember how the steering wheel was. The steering wheel was like this on mine. So what I'm gonna use my this one here, the adjustable wrench. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in here and twist it the opposite of the clock. So I'm gonna twist it to the left side. There you go. So once it's loose, you can just loosen it up with your finger. Once it's loose, loosened up with your finger, what you're gonna do, just put the nut where where you don't lose it. And this one, what you're gonna do, just pull it out with both hands, pull it up, and then first put the steering wheel where it was, like right here, right? It was right here. So pull it up and then put it back straight. Which let me show you how. So the steering wheel, it was kind of like this. So what I'm gonna do, pull it out with both hands and level it up, like put it straight, like right here, and then push it back in. There you go. There you go. There you go. So I think it was just like this. So what I'm gonna do is just put everything back to its place, the nut back in here. Just gotta make sure there's this connection here, that one, just make sure it's inside. Just don't leave it outside, because sometimes if you leave it on the side, it might, it has to be inside this little triangle here. So just remember that. So, and then after that, just tie the nut back and get the adjustable wrench. There you go. So bring this adjustable wrench back, tie it up. Now that we're gonna tighten this clockwise. There you go. So the nut is back in its place. I already tied it up, and just put this wrench, back in there, and put this back in here. We're gonna connect back the cables from the horn, just clip them back to where they were. And you could be, there's no color. The color doesn't matter. You can just put it anywhere. It's the same thing. It's gonna work the same way. It's not gonna mess up. So just clip them back in there. Okay, there you go. So I connect both of them back with my fingers, and now put this back in its place. What you're gonna do, just put it in here to where it was, and kind of like push it inside, like pressure inside from every corner, like a man. There you go. So once it's already good, let's go for a test drive now. Let's see how it looks. Oh, let's test this horn. Oop, good job. All right, let's go. Let's see how it is. There you have it, guys. Remember, it was leaning to that right side. Now it's straight. I'm going a straight lane right now. There you go. So all done. Thanks for watching.